Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to eTrust Money platform. eTrust Money is a Ethereum smart contract decentralized platform. This is not a company. This is a decentralized platform. So, no admin here, no CEO, no owner, scam impossible, no hacking, no delay in payment because all payments are peer-to-peer through Ethereum smart contract. When you purchase this platform, you are is the owner of this platform. You will get one online business platform by paying 0.14 Ethereum, only 0.14 Ethereum. All transactions you can watch and monitor through Ethereum blockchain, nothing hidden. This is an open book. Decentralized platform is an open book. This platform offering three kinds of income: referral income, level contribution income, leadership bonus from unlimited debt. We can decide how much Ethereum we can accumulate daily. What is referral income? After purchasing this platform, when you invite business partners to this platform, you will get 0.12 Ethereum from each partners. You can refer unlimited partners to increase referral income as well as your business. What is level contribution income and leadership bonus? This we can call this a 50-50 income package. Before that, I am telling about the nature of this business. This is a fourth level plan. In your first level, there will be 2 partners. In your second, 4 partners, and third, 8. And level 4, there will be 16 partners. Total, your partners are 30 partners. Small family. So what will the benefit? You can manage this small family group and you can support easily to them. You can coordinate to discuss how your business develop, how you can develop your business, etc. Because small family is there. Okay, so when you enter to this platform, your level status will level 1. After making 2 sales, you can upgrade your level status to next stage, that is level 2. So what happened? After you get level status 2, as and when your partners available in your level 2 structure, when they upgrade their level status, you will get its 50% as a level contribution income. Okay, and you will get each and every level when they upgrade their status, you will get its 50%, but you also upgrade your level status. You should be equal and higher level status from your downlines, your down partners. Okay, what about remaining 50%? This 50% will also distribute as a leadership bonus. What is leadership bonus? Your direct referred partners, as and when they upgrade their level status, you will also get its 50% as a leadership bonus. There is no matter whether they have placed in your which levels. For example, some peoples may be placed in your within 4th level and some may be out of 4th level. For example, 50, 100 level, that's all, no issue. When they upgrade their levels, higher levels, you will get its 50% again and again. But in our system, they are saying that level 5, 6, 7. What is this? Don't be confused here. Level 5 means the partners already existing in your level 1. These are in level 5 5. Okay, and in level 6, you are already existing partners in level 2 here. And in level 7, already existing partners in level 3 here. So don't be confused. The system after completing the 4th level, this system will repeat again level 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we'll repeat again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Don't be confused. This is a minimum income chart. Here, your levels is here and number of partners is also here. After 16th, again restart 2, 4, 8 here. And if you refer minimum 2 partners and they also duplicate the same, then you will get total 159.24 Ethereum within 50 days. that is not bad. Good income here. Minimum 159.24, massive. What about leadership bonus? If you refer more people, you will, apart from other incomes, you can earn good income from leadership bonus. For example, if you have 2 referrals, then you will get a minimum 38 after completing 50 days. If you refer 5, that will be increased to 95. If you refer 10, that will be increased to 190, and so on. This is a massive income opportunity. Here we can earn dynamic income. So concentrate to refer partners directly to your tree. How level contribution is distributing? Here I am drawing one structure A, B, C, D, E and F. Then F upgrade his level status to, then what happened? This 50% amount goes to his second upline D here, but D should also levels in level status 2. If D not in level status 2, he is still in level status 1, then what happened? That amount will skip to just next upline of D. Here is C. If C is not in level status 2, so it will automatically skip to B and so on if B is not eligible. But here in level status 2 means that will be get from only 4 people, because in your level 2 maximum 4 partners are there. So in case C already received 4 level contributions from anybody, then C will not get it again. That will skip to B, and B not eligible, that will skip to A, and so on. Here the system is reading each and every uplines, so each and every person will get equal benefits. This is a good strategy. Then we are going to next spillover. If we get more referral income as well as leadership bonus, we will refer more people directly. Then what will happen? Naturally, a good spillover will be resulted in your structure. That will help others also. But here is a different type of spillover introducing eTrust Money here. So just look at this spillover in other platform. Normally what happen? All spillover are placed in extreme left or right, just like this. Here spillover is going on outer side. We will not get inner side, nothing to inner side. But eTrust Money has created a new revolution in spillover. Look at this structure. You referred 1 and 2, and 1 referred 3, 2 referred 4 and 5. Here is 1 vacancy in your level 2 structure. Then if you refer spill 1 person, that will place in inner side. This is important. This is a good point. You will get a spillover to inner side also, then outer side, then inner side. So this, when you spill 1 person, the system automatically read, and where is vacancy vacant there from top to bottom, the system automatically places this spillover there. So your level maintenance will be maintained properly. So this is a new revolution in spillover. This is not a company. This is a decentralized platform, and you is the owner. So you can decide how this business promote, because we are different from others. So get ready to start. Create team, work together, and more money, because this is a decentralized platform, never shut down. So thank you very much.